Hi everyone, I'm back with another unboxing of another subscription box. It is Nailboxy and it is by Red Iguana. And I think this is good for anybody that wants to be a nail tech or inspiring to be a nail tech or even nail techs, because they give you things to try that you probably wouldn't have tried with your own money, or you probably wouldn't have never known anything about. So this is how the box looks. Looks similar to the Red Iguana hand box when it comes in. It comes with a plastic covering as well, but I took that off already. I haven't opened the box, I just took the plastic covering off. This is the card that you get with a Kira Sky. So I'm guessing that's one of the products that's in the box. This is how the box looks, all nice and neat packaged. This is what it says on the other side of the box. Sorry for the noise, you guys. So if I'm not mistaken, you get 9 to 11 things inside your box every month. So here's some glitter. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Oh, it's hearts. I love hearts, as you can see. I know that's upside down for you guys, but I love love and I love hearts. And it's in all of the colors. Yes. I'm gonna have a field day with this. You have no idea. I'm trying to hold my excitement. That's why it's not as loud. I have some pink ones. I needed another top coat, so this came in handy. So this is a no wipe top coat from Kira Sky. Thermo Liquid from Red Iguana. Just the other day I did a stamping box for you guys, so this makes me excited as well. I love nail things. Anything to do with nails, I'm down for it. Oh man, that's real nice. Little diamonds. And it says Nailboxy, clear jelly stamper for Nailboxy. So that's your stamper. You get 2 stampers. Oh, that's the clear one right here is better for you to see through it. And this one I wouldn't use if you need to put something in line or make sure it's, you know, on top of the other one. And then we have the stamping paint gel from Red Iguana. And they give you a black color, which I think is good because most of your stamping things are, your outlines are black. You need black. So this is good. This is from Clear Jelly Stamper. 20% off. let me go back to the Kara Sky as your 10% off. I'm gonna have all these down below, so no worries. This is what I was so excited for, because I normally just use regular rhinestones from like AliExpress or something like that. So these beauties, yes, I can't wait to do. I'm gonna put these on my hand because these things are expensive, so this is a nice try for me. I've never tried any Swarovski crystals. You have brushes. This would be a good cleaner brush. Even this one. That's a good detailed 3D brush. I just bought another 3D brush, but this will be good for me to practice with instead of using the other 3D brush. And then we have this. I'm going to open it. I'm not really sure what this is, but it's from Red Iguana as well. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing, don't quote me on it, but I can use this for diamonds or for paint. You know how you use acrylic paint on your nails and you need a palette or whatever, you can use that for that. And it does come out, so you have a top and bottom storage. You can even use these for the dry flowers. That'd be nice for my dry flowers, because I tend to use a lot of dry flowers. Or even these can go inside of here. Good storage. Well, I hate to say it, that's it. The box has a lot of stuff though. So back again, we have the storage, the paintbrush, the top coat, jelly stamper, the stamping gel, Thermo Liquid. I am gonna try to open this real fast. So you can barely see it, but I'm pretty sure everybody knows what temperature liquid looks like. And Swarovski crystals. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I forgot about the scraper. And I think that's it. So I guess 7 to 10 or 7 to 11, depends on what they have to give. But you can also count each one of these brushes as one, because not many companies you buy this separate, some you buy it together. It just depends. So I hope you enjoyed this and have an awesome weekend, because the weekend is coming up. Today is Friday. And I will put everything down below in the description box, as well as the coupon codes that I got with this. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Real quick, you guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot to say that the glitters is a piece too. Oh my goodness. But I just wanted to make sure I said that.